Here we will write a Python program to check entered number is prime number or not using function. So first we will open the IDE, then we will add new file, and in comment line we will write program description. Here we will define function with def keyword chk prime with one parameter. First we will define one variable flag which is initialized with 0 and variable I which is initialized with 2. Then we will use while loop. So while I less than or equal to x by 2, the entered number is prime number if the number is divisible by itself only. So I will check whether the number is divisible by other number also. So if x mod I equals 0, we will print number is not prime number. We will set the flag value equal to 1 and we will break the loop. Else we will increment the I. And after completing the loop, we will check value of flag. So if flag equal to 0, we will print entered number is prime number. Then we will accept the number from the user. So n equal to int input enter number, and we will call our function check prime, and we will pass n as a parameter. Then we will save it as check prime and we will save it. Then we will execute it. It will ask to enter the number. I will give 14. It will print entered number is not prime. Again I will execute it, and if I give entered number as 13, it will print entered number is prime number.